Welcome back, guys. As you know that MongoDB is comparatively faster than MySQL and easier to use, and if your application is working on cloud computing, then it's a perfect suit for you. So let's get started how to connect your Python script with the MongoDB, and we are going to learn how to insert the data collection and how to delete the data from the collection. So first of all, go to the this URL Atlas MongoDB, then log in with your credential. Now you need to start another project. Give any name, like I am going to give it a demo. Go to next. Okay, so I am going to creating the project. After creating the project, you need to start a cluster and you need to connect it. So like build one cluster, project name is this. I am going to work with Python and select continue. Here you need to select a free one because for other you have to pay. So create a free cluster. I am from India, so select a GCP and Mumbai, India, because it's faster and it's very responsive. So after that, just create the cluster. It might take some time, so ready some other things. First of all, you need to install pymongo. Just wait for it. Okay, after that you need to install DNS, so install it. Okay, so our all the libraries are ready. Okay, our cluster is ready. Now we need to connect the cluster with your script, so click on connect. Okay, so first of all you need to add your current IP address. So you can see this is my IP, and just add that demo and add your IP address. Now you need to create a username, like I am going to give HP, and you need to add a password for it. Okay, so I created the database. Now we need to choose a connection method. So you need to click on connect your application, select the Python over here, then select the version. Just click on this include full driver so you can get all the code. Just copy the string and you need to paste it over here. Now for that, first of all you need to import pymongo. Also you need to import DNS. Okay, then you are ready to go. First of all you need to change your password. So like my password is like this, so you can add this and just close it. Okay, now go to the collection. Just hold a second. Okay, here we need to add the database name. So currently we are going to add a test. So our database name is test. Just add my own data, create the database and add the collection, like we are going to add test1 and create it. Okay, so your database is created and there is only one collection called test1. So now here you need to make one collection. So say collection is equal to db test1. You can also create the database from here, like you need to add another name and just add it. Now you can print all the database names, like list database name. Okay, now run the script. So python 3 demo.py. So here it comes database. Okay, so now you can see there are three database: test, admin and lookup. Also you can retrieve all the collection like list, collection names. Just run this. Okay, here I need to add db. Okay, so you can see there is only one collection called test1 in our test database. So I'm just right now commenting it. Now you want to add the data. So first of all you need to make it dictionary. So make it like this, like first of all add name. I'm going to give it my name. Also add like age. I'm adding 21. Now you need to add this to your collection. So first of all add this like collection dot insert underscore 1 and pass this variable as parameter and just print x so you can get the ID. Now run this script again. As you can check our cluster. So as you can see in our cluster, go to the collection. It may take some time, just hold a sec. Okay, so in our test1 you can see there is one data, Harsh, and age is 21. Now let's see how to add multiple data in it. So just make a list of it, like list, and copy the similar one. Wait, I have already written in the code, so I'm just copying it, paste it over here, and instead of insert 1 you need to add insert many and pass this list as a parameter. Run this script again. Okay, so you can get the ID. Now check our cluster, just refresh it. Okay, so now you can get all the 4 data over here. Now let's see how to delete a particular one data. I'm just commenting all of this right now. Okay, now for deleting, write delete underscore 1 if you want to delete any one, and I'm just uncommenting this dictionary where the name is equal to Harsh. Sorry, my bad. Okay, and pass this dictionary as a parameter. Okay, now run the script. So you can just wait, refresh it. So okay, you can see that Harsh is deleted. Now total document is 3. Now let's see what if you want to delete all the database. So simply just put a semicolon and instead of 1 add many and run the script again. Refresh it. Okay, so you can see there is no database. Now you can add different kind of parameters like age 20, 21, 23 I want to remove, so you can delete multiple parameters from it. So that's all of it for now. We can go further in next series of this video. So stay tuned, please share, like and subscribe the video.